guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Do you struggle with your YouTube SEO? Well, fret not. There is a tool that can help you fix your SEO troubles with ease. It is called TubeBuddy, and it's available from the description link below. So anyways, all you need to do is just head on to the link, click the link, install the add-on for TubeBuddy, and then you can go to your YouTube studio, select one of your videos. So here I've already selected a video, and then all you need to do is you scroll down and you have the tag editor. As you can see, I have multiple tags here. Some of these are terrible, so I'll go ahead and remove some of these. So there we go. We'll just leave those tags there. But as you can see, TubeBuddy suggests tags for us. So you don't have to come up with tags on your own. It will even rank the tags for you by their keyword score or by search traffic. So we'll go ahead and we'll do by search traffic, and here is what comes up. People are searching Moto X Pure Edition and they are finding my video, so we'll go ahead, we'll add that. School hacks, sure, 5-minute crafts, 5-minute craft, 5 minutes craft, 5 minutes craft school. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and we'll go to keyword score, and we'll start adding some videos here, some tags, I mean. DIY projects mechanical, useful things to buy on Amazon. And as you can see, it ranks tags by the score here. Green is good, yellow is not as good, and then red is not as good as yellow. And then you have tags that don't have the option there, I mean the score there. But that should help you at least come up with some more relevant tags to your YouTube videos. So as you can see, now I have several tags put in here, and we just need to clear some of these up. So if we have too many tags, just remove that one there. And now we can save the tags. And that is how you edit tags on your videos using TubeBuddy. It's a lot easier and a lot faster than typing in tags manually and trying to figure out what tags you should put in there, because YouTube does most of that work for you. So if you want to be able to do that, all you have to do is just go to the link in the description below and just download TubeBuddy. Now, just to show you that this tool actually works, we'll go ahead and we'll go to my channel. So if I click here, you can check out the analytics page that shows up when you install TubeBuddy. You don't get this page that shows up otherwise. Right here you can see the TubeBuddy Channelytics. And you can see I have this huge spike right here. And that is because I installed TubeBuddy and started editing tags on some of my videos. And so I gained 237 views on my little bitty YouTube channel. And that is certainly a lot better than not using TubeBuddy and only getting 2 views or 11 views or just a lot more views. Of course, if you have a bigger channel, you'll get even more views than that, but there you go. So anyways, thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.